You have to prepare your speech, to have your script. Hello, my friend! How to prepare your speech and mitigate those risks we mentioned last class. There are two kinds of speeches. One with script and another one that you improvise. This first one is better because we have less risks. But how to do it? First thing, study your presentation. Know by heart what you're going to say. Second, have your script in front of you, on a screen or on that object in Portuguese we call púlpito, the object that you lay your papers. Your script must be written in bullet points. If you write a text, that will be impossible to be read. And while you check your script, you connect with your audience. Look people into their eyes. Smile to them. There are two situations when you can read your speech. The first is your presentation is made with images, and you want your audience to concentrate to watch the video, the pictures. They will be seeing the images and listening to your words. Your words will be describing the images they're seeing. In this case, excellent, you can read. The next situation when you can read is if you were a writer. If you're a storyteller and people love to hear your stories. In this case, you can read your story. People will be expecting to listen to your story from you. But if you don't have these two options, you have to prepare your speech, to have your script. Dale Carnegie says, the improvement of memory, impression, repetition, and association. The first mandate of memory is get a deep, vivid, and lasting impression of the thing you wish to retain. And to do that, you must concentrate. Comment here one strategy that you use to memorize things. Maybe your strategy is better than mine. Maybe your strategy can help other people. Comment here. Thank you very much. I am Felipe Gibi. See you next class. Lectures without the script. Some people like to do them.